Put it on there? Oh, that looks good. I got you.
You might want to heat it up.
Yeah,
Go
put it. Have to heat that shit up.
Yeah, this is.
No, I'm serious about your turbo.
Put it on.
Don't touch your turbo because it'll melt to it, but like get it close to it.
That's my keys. How's the eyeball alignment?
It's actually pretty straight. I told you last time.
Hey, you're welcome.
You want to put over the exhaust or actually like?
Actually, yeah. That would work too. What?
That shifter was
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You let it cool down too much.
There you go. Beautiful. Oh, that's perfect.
Don't pull it.
All right, let's keep... There you go. It's on there.
Oh yeah, I said that to
Oh wait.
This is the record button, huh?
You're recording. Yep. That, all right. You're good to go.
Did you watch this? Think it looks good?
Yeah, it's recording. It's recording. 6, 7, 8
I'm not
seconds.
talking about recording it. It's good.
Oh yeah. Look at me.
That's crazy how it works.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, Vinny. Warm up donuts. Warm up donuts. All right.